Welcome to the Request Response channel. By the end of this video, you will test your first API request, even if you have never touched an API before. We will use a modern free tool called Bruno, and in just 5 minutes, you will understand how backend APIs work and how testers automate them. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Whenever you use an application, whether it's a website, mobile app, or a tool like Bruno, it communicates through a request and response cycle, which is the foundation of all API communication. In API calls like waiter, taking your order to the kitchen and bringing back the result. You ask for something, the kitchen prepares it, and the waiter brings it back. Your job as a tester is to check, did it bring the right thing? Did it return in the right time? And is the data is the right format? Let's jump straight into practice. I already have installed Bruno on my machine. If you need help installing it, I have a separate video for that. Let's create our first collection. Click Create Collection button. In the dialog appears write a name of a collection, Demo API. Choose a location when you want to store it, and click Create. And you will see your new collection appear instantly in the Collections panel on the left side. Think of a collection as a folder that groups related API requests together. Now, let's create our first request. To do that, on the right side of the name of the collection, click on 3 dots. Then a drop-down menu, click on New Request. Keep type as HTTP. Give it a name like get users list. And keep method as a get. And now we have to type this URL. This is a free public test API that returns a paginated list of sample users, perfect for practicing API testing. Click Create, and now inside your collection you can see we have our first request. When you will click on it, you will see this window. It appears once, so you have to choose your security level for collection. I will keep going with the safe mode. Now, let's send our request. To do that, click on Send button or press Ctrl Enter on your keyboard. And just like that, Bruno sends a request to the API and displays the server's response in the response viewer on the right side here. You will see the result. We got a JSON response from the server. You can see in the response body the user's information, such as user IDs, name, email, role, and acceptor. And the status code 200 OK, meaning success. Now, let's write our first assertion. Click on Assert panel, add assertion button. Now we have to write our expression. Let's start with res, which stands for the response object, dot, status, as we want to check a status code. Operator we will keep equals, and add value 200, as we expected 200. Save her and send it again. And you can see we get passing test. Congratulations, you just executed your first API test. Why this matters? This is the core of API testing. Send a request, validate the response, automate the checks. In the next video, we will go further and create your first post request with JavaScript test case implementation. So you will learn how to send data to the backend and validate it. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it.